All right, so my wife's not here. Well, she's not. My wife's not here right now. So I don't know why I'm still whispering, but hey, I'm gonna teach everybody, right real quick, how you too can have a full hat. Watch it. Right here. What you do is if you're married, you wanna make sure your wife's gone. But then after that, get your own roll of, I recommend the off-brand of everything. But then if you just want to roll you out something, what you're going to want to do, this is where I made my mistake. I tried to save money by not using too much. Use what you need. Pull it out there, okay? Now what you want to do so that it's self-fitting is you want to take it, and now this is the difficult part. There you go. You want to roll it around. Right, then tuck it. You want to tuck it. You'll feel when it's right. And then just keep coming. Keep coming. You'll feel it. You don't have to be skilled at hat making for this. Now, you've got this part. Now, this is where it gets... Yeah. I ain't worked this part out a whole lot yet, obviously. Give me just a second here. But you got to be intricate and... You gotta take your time when you're doing this. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now you just mark it, and what I would recommend doing. I don't have no other recommendations. Just do what you gotta do there. But anyway, once you get done with that, then you can refit it. Because you know that it's flipped. Oh, that's going to be a good one, guys. All right, then you want to stick it right back down on your head. This is important. Now, depending on, I like the little hook. So I like to go like, and then you work like straight on up, right, like that. Right? Now, what I might do is weave me a little bit of. And then there you go, guys. You too can have a full hat in less than 3 minutes. So guys, look, this is Creating Change. My name's Guy Bandy. If you don't mind, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you feel like you want to share something ridiculous, go ahead and hit the share button. But until next time, y'all take care.